Okay, mathematicians, this is your guided practice for lattice method multiplication. We're going to be looking at 4 by 1 digit multiplication and 2 digit by 2 digit multiplication. So to start, we're going to start with this 1 by 4, and I want to show you what this looks like with the model pre-made, and then we're going to do some examples where we draw our own lattice model. So remember, with lattice, I'm only writing the digits. So if you remember when we learned area model, we expanded those numbers out, whereas in lattice method, we are only using just the digits from each factor. So our first factor will go across the top, our second factor will go along the right side on the outside. So then we're going to go through and we're going to be multiplying these digits together to get our partial products. So we're going to be multiplying 8 times each one of these digits. So I can go ahead and cover up the digits I'm not multiplying. So 9 times 8 is 72. 9 times 8 is 72. 7 times 8 is 56. And 8 times 1 is 8. So remember, our 1s go in the bottom, and our 10s, because I don't have any 10s, I'm going to put a 0. So all of our 10s will go in these top triangles, and the 1s go in the bottom. So now that I've multiplied these together, I'm going to go ahead and cross them out. Then I'm going to take my hand, I'm going to slide it across, I'm going to line it up with these diagonals. And everything inside of those diagonals I'm going to add together, and these represent the place values in my product. So my 1s, 10s, 100s, 1000s, 10,000s. So 2 plus nothing is going to leave me with 2. 7 plus 2 is going to give me 9. 6 plus 7 is going to give me 13. So I'm going to do the same thing I would do if I was normally adding, and I'm going to regroup those 10s into my next column, like so. 5 plus 1 equals 6, plus 8 is going to give me 14. So I'm going to regroup that 10. 0 plus 1 gives me 1. And then I'm going to circle my product and rewrite if I need to. So 1, 4, 3, 9, 2, for a total product of 14,392. All right, let's look and see what this looks like with a 2 digit by 2 digit number. So again, I'm just using the digits of my factors, not expanding them out. So I'm going to cover up that 3, and I'm going to multiply by 4 first. So I'm going to multiply the 4 times the 7 and the 4 times the 2. So 4 times 7 is 28. I have 2 10s, 8 1s. 4 times 2 is 8. Because I don't have any 10s, I'm going to put a 0 there, and I'm done with the 4. I'm going to move on now. I'm going to multiply the 3 times the 7 and the 3 times the 2. So 3 times 7 is 21. I have 2 10s, 1 1. 3 times 2 is 6. I have 6 1s and 0 10s. So now I'm done with a 3. I've already multiplied these, so I'm going to cross them out. So I'm going to take my hand, line it up with those diagonals, and add. So 8 plus nothing is 8. 8 plus 0 plus 6 is 14. I'm going to have to regroup that 10. 2 plus 1 is 3, plus 1 is 4, and then 2 plus nothing is 2. I'm going to circle my final product, rewrite if I need to, 2, 4, 4, 8, for a total product of 2,448. All right, so now I want to show you how to draw your own lattice method, because we won't always have these given to us, right? Using a blank lined sheet of paper. So I'm going to multiply 6 times 3,465. So I have 3,465, 4 digits, so I'm going to need 4 boxes. So we can start anywhere on the page really, but I really like to use these pink lines as guidelines. And generally I give about 3 columns per digit. So So I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, give myself a 90-degree angle, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to need 4 of those because I have 4 digits, and then I'll finish that up, making a rectangle. Now I'm going to go through and I need to draw my diagonal lines. So I'm going to start in my top right-hand corner, going all the way through to my bottom left-hand corner, all the way through. So again, for my second square, I'm going to start in the top right-hand corner, go all the way through to the bottom left. Again, for my third square, I'm going to start in the top right-hand corner, go all the way through to the bottom left. And same thing for my fourth square. Start in the top right-hand corner, go all the way through the bottom left. Now I can go ahead and write my digits in. So 3, 4, 6, 5, and I'm multiplying all of that by 6. So I'm going to cover up what I'm not multiplying. 5 times 6 is 30. So 3 tens, 0 ones. 6 times 6 is 36. So I have 3 tens, 6 ones. 4 times 6 is 24, 2 tens, 4 ones. 3 times 6 is 18, 1 10, 8 ones. Going to cross out my factors now, and I'm going to add my diagonals. So 0 plus 0 is 0, 6 plus 3 is 9, 4 plus 3 is 7, 8 plus 2 is 10. I'm going to regroup the 1, and 1 plus 1 is 2. So I can circle my product and rewrite if I need to. 2, 0, 7, 9, 0. So 20,790 is my total product. All right, and lastly, let's go ahead and draw our own 2-digit by 2-digit lattice model. So again, I'm going to give myself 1, 2, 3 columns for a digit. 1, 2, 3. Draw my rectangle. So my 7, my 1, my 4. So because I'm multiplying by a 2-digit number, not a 1-digit, I actually need 2 rows. So I'm going to extend these down. I should have 2 rows and 2 columns. So 2 rows, 2 columns, and then I'm going to find my top right-hand corner and my bottom left in each square and connect those diagonally. And now I can start multiplying. So I'm going to start with the 1. 1 times 4 is 4. I have 4 ones, 0 tens. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 ones, 0 tens. Done with the 1. Now I can multiply by 7. 7 times 4 is 28. I have 2 tens, 8 ones. 7 times 2 is 14. I have 1 10, 4 ones, and I'm done multiplying everything. So I can cross those out and add my diagonals. 2 plus nothing is 2. 4 plus 0 plus 4 is 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. And then 2 plus nothing is 2. Circle my product and rewrite if I need to. 2, 9, 8, 2 for a total product of 2,982.